Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So today, my goal is to challenge you to do one thing. And you're probably wondering, what do you mean one thing? Like, one thing of what? And what I mean by that is, if you're feeling overwhelmed, like you might have too much on your plate as a writer, there's so much that goes into writing, whether you're traditionally published or indie published. There are a million things to do when it comes to writing your book, promoting your book, getting your book seen or getting your book to the right people. And so I would like to challenge everyone today to just pick maybe one thing on that list and try to get it done. That's how you handle the overwhelm. I'm saying all of this to you because I too am in an overwhelming boat. All the water is coming in, and I've got a new release coming out. Some of you may already know about it and have heard me talk about it on my podcast. It's called Christmas in Cardwick, new novella, and I am panicking thinking about all the things that I have to do. And so I sat down, I made a list, and I said, you know what? I'm just going to take it one thing at a time. And so that's how today's Motivational Minute was inspired. So take a second. If you feel like you're drowning in writing life, take a breather, make a list, and just do one thing. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all on the next Motivational Minute. Thanks for watching. Bye.